Okay, so this is an 1.5 ball valve, PRV. This does not work. Bong wanted me to replace it, but the city stop, the curb stop, I can't get it to shut. So, and this water is not stopping. And these are, Bong bought these are sweat, so that makes this a little more difficult. So I'm just trying to figure out what I'm going to do here. We got to replace this guy. Do that really quick. Okay, so basically what we're going to have to do, because this won't stop, and I think the best thing to do, unsweat this, sweat this onto here, onto this piece of pipe. I'm going to have to put hot block around this, and then sweat a piece of pipe on the other union, and then I can press this side, since this won't stop. Because there's no way I'm going to be able to solder with that much water. So I think that's what we're going to do. All right, so that's hot block. And you just put it around. I'm going to have to get it under here a little bit better, but I don't want to mess with that joint at all, so okay. All right, there you go. That hot block stuff, it really works. It works. But it is a friggin' mess, man. Such a mess. And it says you can reuse it, but I don't know, man. I'm gonna go ahead and say maybe you could, but it just once you use it, it just gets so nasty, and I don't know. Okay. So now we need to sweat on a piece of copper we're gonna make it from here. So probably about, I'm gonna have to cut this. I'm gonna cut this first, and then I'll get the measurement. We'll put a coupling on there. All right, we cut that off. Now we just need to get this paint off. And get it off this entire portion right here. LADWP is here. LADWP is here, and he's gonna turn it off. I'm surprised at how fast they got here, but I'm gonna cut this and then just quickly press on a ball valve. So let me just clean this up. Took 3 guys. They couldn't get it either. They couldn't get it either. All right, we got this. I'm gonna cut this to length. Look, look, look. They got the frickin' torch out. They got the acetylene torch out. So anybody's like, oh, come on. Not that anybody said that, but if anybody in the comments is like, oh, come on, just be a man. Put a little more elbow grease in it. Well, there you go. That's LADWP with the frickin' acetylene torch. All right. See the brown water here? It's because I should have had you guys guess, whatever. Fire suppression system. It sits in the black iron pipe and doesn't move. And then when you drain it down, it's like poop water. So, all right. I can cut, ladies and gents. We're gonna put it right like that. And then, and luckily, I can just use a 90 on this guy. It'll be all right. Okay. Yeah. Big issues over here. Big issues. They got it off, but they're trying to loosen it up for future use. There you go. The sliver of pipe I cut off of this one literally was the perfect size for this right here. So they're still working. That's actually the first time I've not been able to get the curb stop to shut. So, all right, we'll press it, and then I gotta wait for them so I can turn the water on and check everything. All right, water's back on. Now let's test. A little sweating, a little pressing. There you go. Should be around 50. Yeah, 45. All right, Bong, this is what you got to do. If you ever want to adjust this, you loosen this. This is just like, yeah, they're $10 at Home Depot. Oh, okay. Yeah, they're cheap. They're very cheap. So you just want to put it on here, open your hose bib, This is just a set screw, this bottom one. And then, counterintuitive, I know, to increase pressure, you go towards the PRV. So you'll see it start to, it's already going up. And then if you're not getting an accurate reading, what you do is you just close the hose bib, take it off, relieve the pressure, and then turn and thread it back on, and then just do it again. And give it a second, you know, it'll go up a little bit sometimes. So.